This is another wonderful edition on mathematics. Look at this. We are going to solve this mathematics. Solve the equation 1 plus x all over 2 minus 2 minus x all over 6 equals 0. So the first thing we'll do here is to separate the terms. In separating terms, look at what we are going to do. We now have 1 plus x all over 2 equals 0. This we move and change to what? Plus 2 minus x all over 6. So we now have 1 plus x all over 2 equals 0 plus this will give us the same, 2 minus x all over 6. So the second thing to do here is to cross multiply. In cross multiply, this will multiply everything here, this 2 will multiply everything this side. So in multiplying 2, keep this 6 outside and open a bracket. Look at what we are going to have. We have 6 bracket 1 plus x bracket close equals, we use to multiply everything here. That is, this 2 will be outside. We open a bracket. We have 2 minus x bracket close. So the next thing to do now is to open the bracket. We open bracket, use this 6 and multiply everything here, and use 2 and multiply everything in this bracket. So what do we do here? 6 times 1 will give us 6. 6 times x will give us plus 6x equals 2 times 2, 4, and 2 times minus s will give us minus 2x. So the next thing here is to collect like terms. Collect like terms. So in collecting like terms, we have 6 here. What do we do here? We move this. We have 6x. This 2x we cross here. When minus 2x crosses the equality sign, it changes to plus 2x equals, we have 4 here. And this 6 we move to come and meet the whole number 4 and change this to minus 6. Minus 6. So what do we have now? This plus this will give us 8x equals 4 minus 6 will give us minus 2. Why? Because the number that has minus is bigger than the number that has plus. That is positive. So our answer will have minus. So what is the next thing here? Finally, we divide both sides by the number that carries by the coefficients of what? X, which is 8. So we now have therefore 8x over 8 equals minus 2 over 8. 8 and 8 here we go. We have x equals 2 here, 1. 2 divide 8, 4. So our final answer is now minus x equals minus 1 over 4. So this is the final answer to the mathematics. Thank you and see you some other time.